AI doesn't just process data, it translates numbers into useful advice that empowers you to make better financial decisions every single day. It can compare thousands of loan offers in seconds, showing you the best terms based on your credit profile, income, and long-term financial goals. With AI's help, even complex investment strategies can be simplified and made accessible for people who once feared the stock market. Instead of hiring an expensive financial advisor, you can now use AI tools that offer personalized guidance at a fraction of the cost. AI makes it easier to track multiple income streams, side hustles, and passive earnings, consolidating your money into a single clear view. Apps powered by AI can automatically assign categories to your expenses, helping you understand exactly where your money is going. By monitoring subscription services and unused memberships, AI can suggest cuts that instantly improve your monthly cash flow. AI's predictive models can help you avoid late fees, overdrafts, and penalties by forecasting your account balance in advance. You can set up smart savings rules, like rounding up transactions or saving a percentage of each paycheck, completely managed by AI. Whether you're self-employed or salaried, AI adapts to your lifestyle and creates flexible plans that fit your unique financial rhythm. Even emergency funds can be optimized by AI, which calculates the ideal amount based on your spending patterns and risk profile. AI can warn you if your credit utilization is rising too quickly, helping you manage debt and maintain a strong credit score. Some platforms even use AI to generate personalized financial reports, giving you visual snapshots of your goals and progress. Instead of reacting to financial problems, AI helps you anticipate and prepare, transforming stress into confidence and control. Parents are now using AI apps to teach kids how to manage allowances, track spending, and set basic savings goals from an early age. In the gig economy, AI tools help freelancers plan for taxes, track invoices, and automate financial planning despite irregular income. AI tools can sync with your bank, credit card, and investment accounts to give you a unified overview of your financial world. Artificial intelligence takes the guesswork out of planning, suggesting how much to save, invest, or pay down in any given month. From buying your first car to planning for retirement, AI provides step-by-step financial support tailored to each stage of life. The best part? These AI systems learn from your behavior over time, improving their suggestions as your life and goals evolve. Some apps even integrate health data with finances, helping you budget better for medical expenses based on lifestyle and needs. AI is now helping people recover from debt faster by analyzing habits and recommending faster repayment strategies that actually work. Traditional banks are adopting AI-powered tools to offer smarter services, bridging the gap between tech and legacy institutions. AI also plays a major role in detecting fraud early, flagging suspicious activity, and keeping your financial identity safe from threats. Smartphone-based budgeting has never been more efficient, thanks to machine learning models that adjust in real time as your habits shift. AI encourages mindful spending by helping you visualize future outcomes of today's financial choices in an easy-to-understand format. In many cases, AI can tell when you're about to make a poor money decision and offer better alternatives before you commit. It's like having a financial guardian watching over every swipe, transfer, and deposit to help you stay aligned with your goals. The simplicity and automation AI offers can help people stay consistent, one of the hardest parts of managing money long-term. Even your savings account can be intelligent, automatically moving money based on your income, expenses, and future commitments. AI also allows for dynamic goal setting, adjusting your targets if your income changes or you experience an unexpected expense. You can track your progress visually, with AI creating simple graphs and timelines that show how close you are to your goals. These platforms are evolving every day, offering more accuracy, better customization, and deeper insights for personal finances. AI is now embedded in credit scoring models, loan approvals, and insurance pricing, often offering better deals than traditional systems. In the workplace, AI is being used to help employees manage their retirement plans and benefits more intelligently and proactively. It helps you evaluate risk in investments and also builds personalized portfolios suited to your financial temperament. AI removes emotional bias from decision-making, offering logical insights when human behavior might lean toward panic or impulse. Whether you want to build an emergency fund or retire early, AI gives you the structure and support to make it happen faster. For people who've struggled with money in the past, AI offers a fresh start, driven by clarity, automation, and confidence. With each passing year, AI becomes more powerful, easier to use, and more aligned with everyday financial needs and habits. It's not just about convenience, it's about transforming lives by helping people regain control over something as essential as money. From students to retirees, AI is reshaping how we relate to our finances, empowering us to make better, bolder choices. And with open banking and secure integrations, these tools can access and organize all your data safely and seamlessly. AI makes it easier to pay off debt by prioritizing high-interest payments first and suggesting optimized repayment paths. You can now speak to a virtual assistant that knows your financial habits and answers questions based on your specific needs. AI helps avoid buyer's remorse by analyzing your patterns and suggesting whether that next big purchase fits your long-term plan. AI doesn't just track, it motivates, guiding you with gentle nudges, daily tips, and progress reminders that keep you focused. Personal finance used to be stressful and confusing. Now, AI makes it more like a game with clear rewards and achievable targets. The power of compound interest meets the precision of algorithms when AI helps you grow wealth over time with smart investments. With minimal effort and maximum return, AI is redefining how everyday people engage with budgeting, saving, and investing. This is just the beginning. As we go deeper into this video, we'll explore specific tools, features, and case studies in detail. We'll look at how budgeting apps use AI, how robo-advisors manage portfolios, and how chatbots handle banking tasks instantly. We'll break down the core categories where AI is creating massive change in personal finance and why it matters to you. So get ready to explore how artificial intelligence is changing the financial world, and how you can use it to your greatest advantage. 1. AI in budgeting and expense tracking. AI-powered budgeting tools are transforming how people manage spending by providing real-time tracking, alerts, and personalized feedback. You no longer have to enter expenses manually. AI connects with your accounts and auto-categorizes each transaction within seconds. These smart systems learn your habits over time, identifying patterns in your spending and warning you before you go over budget. Instead of wondering where your paycheck went, AI gives you a clear picture of how every dollar was spent, organized by category. You can set monthly limits for groceries, dining, entertainment, and more, and AI will track your progress and alert you as needed. AI budgeting apps adjust based on your income fluctuations, ensuring that your financial plan stays realistic and achievable. If you spend more on restaurants one week, AI may recommend reducing entertainment spending the next week to balance things out. With predictive algorithms, AI can estimate how much you'll spend next month based on your history and upcoming obligations. Some tools even analyze seasonality, like holiday spending or summer vacations, to help you prepare well in advance. AI doesn't just show what you've spent, it helps you make better decisions about what you should spend in the future. Whether you're planning a wedding or buying a car, AI can create detailed spending plans and track progress toward your budget. You can link your accounts to a dashboard that updates instantly as new expenses occur, powered entirely by artificial intelligence. These platforms can detect irregular transactions, flag duplicate charges, and help you dispute unauthorized payments swiftly. AI budgeting tools also break down recurring charges like subscriptions, helping you cut waste and save instantly. AI models spot emotional or impulsive spending, alerting you with insights like, "You've spent more on fast food this month than usual." If your income is irregular, AI adjusts dynamically to give you a plan that balances high and low earning months effectively. Some tools include cash flow forecasting, giving you a week-by-week outlook of your available money based on planned expenses. By analyzing previous months, AI can identify where you consistently overspend and recommend smarter spending limits. Visual charts and summaries generated by AI make it easy to understand your financial behavior at a glance. These visuals are more than pretty graphs, they're based on deep data models that adapt to your financial story every day. Instead of chasing receipts or cross-checking statements, let AI handle the details so you can focus on bigger goals. Apps like YNAB, Mint, and PocketGuard are already using machine learning to help users take control of their spending. AI can send instant notifications when you're close to maxing out your budget or nearing a financial threshold you've set. Even small decisions, like choosing between a meal out or cooking at home, can be influenced by AI alerts that nudge better habits. When used consistently, AI-powered budgeting helps people build discipline, awareness, and a long-term financial mindset. AI tools are especially powerful for couples and families, helping everyone stay aligned on shared spending goals. Many apps allow shared dashboards so each person can track household expenses, with AI keeping things organized and fair. Budgeting used to mean spreadsheets and stress, now it means automation, clarity, and daily financial peace of mind. Because AI never sleeps, it updates and analyzes your spending patterns around the clock, so you don't have to. You can receive daily or weekly reports highlighting the categories where you're doing well and where you need to adjust. AI budgeting is like a financial mirror. It shows you your true habits so you can decide what to keep and what to change. Spending triggers, like late-night online shopping or emotional purchases, are detected by AI and flagged with helpful insights. The more you use AI tools, the more accurate and personal the advice becomes, turning your budget into a smart financial assistant. Gamified challenges, such as spend 10% less on dining this week, help make budgeting fun and goal-driven. With just a few taps, you can create a budget, adjust goals, and review your financial progress in seconds. Some apps even use AI to simulate what-if scenarios. What happens if you cut back on coffee? What if you increase rent? Instead of one-size-fits-all advice, AI budgeting tailors every recommendation to your lifestyle, values, and priorities. AI can offer emotional nudges like, "You're doing great," or "Almost there," to keep you motivated through financial ups and downs. Monthly summaries highlight your biggest wins and challenges, making progress easy to track and celebrate. If you're consistently going over budget, AI will suggest changes that help, not punish, your financial behavior. Whether you're a college student or a retiree, AI tools adjust to meet your unique budgeting needs. Voice-activated budgeting through smart assistants allows hands-free updates to your spending categories or goals. You can even integrate your budget with calendars and reminders, so AI helps you plan for rent, bills, and future expenses. Instead of waiting till the end of the month to assess your finances, AI gives real-time updates to keep you in control daily. You can schedule check-ins where AI reviews your week, highlights trends, and suggests ways to improve. AI's ability to synthesize thousands of data points gives you a level of financial insight that used to require an entire team. You don't need to be good at math or spreadsheets anymore. AI turns budgeting into a visual, intuitive, and actionable experience. It's like having a financial trainer who keeps you focused, informed, and constantly improving your financial fitness. Some tools even compare your spending to local averages, showing how your habits stack up against peers. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring. AI makes it interactive, encouraging, and deeply personalized. And the best part? It all runs automatically in the background while you live your life. 2. AI in saving and goal planning. AI tools make saving money effortless by automating transfers, tracking progress, and adapting to your financial situation in real time. You can set multiple savings goals, like a vacation, emergency fund, or new gadget, and AI will help you reach each one step by step. Unlike traditional methods, AI tailors your savings plan based on your habits, income, and goals. No more guesswork. Smart savings apps can analyze your spending and recommend daily or weekly amounts to save without hurting your lifestyle. Some apps use algorithms to round up your purchases and deposit the spare change into a savings account automatically. If you spend $2.60 on coffee, the app rounds up to $3 and saves the 40 cents for you without any extra effort. These small round-ups can lead to hundreds of dollars saved over the course of a year, all driven by background AI. AI-powered autosave features can transfer variable amounts depending on how much money you have at the moment. For example, if your paycheck just landed, AI might save $100. If funds are tight, it might save $5 or nothing at all. This makes saving flexible and non-stressful, adapting to your situation instead of forcing fixed transfers. AI also watches your calendar and spending patterns, avoiding transfers near rent day or big bills to keep your cash flow smooth. Some apps ask you to name your goals and show visual progress bars to keep you engaged and motivated. Seeing your vacation fund grow week by week, even by small amounts, builds excitement and encourages discipline. AI can send encouraging alerts like, "You're 80% of the way to your goal," or, "2 weeks ahead of schedule. Great job." This constant feedback loop turns saving into a game that rewards consistency and progress, not just the final result. AI can forecast when you'll reach a goal based on your current habits, and even adjust your strategy if you fall behind. If your income changes, AI recalculates how much you should save to keep you on track without stressing your budget. It's like having a personal coach who monitors your financial fitness and adjusts your savings routine in real time. You can assign different priorities to different goals, and AI will split your savings accordingly and efficiently. For instance, 50% can go to your emergency fund, 30% to a vacation, and 20% to a new phone, balanced automatically. AI removes the emotional barriers to saving by taking willpower out of the equation and relying on systems and logic. Some tools even hide your savings in a separate account so you're not tempted to spend it when you're feeling impulsive. Others lock the money away unless it's truly needed, helping you build strong saving habits over time. AI apps can simulate different future scenarios, like job changes or big purchases, and show how your savings will be affected. This helps you plan with confidence, knowing how small changes today will impact your long-term financial goals. You can set short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals, and AI will build a savings schedule for each one. Smart algorithms can factor in interest, inflation, and even goal deadlines to optimize how and where your money is saved. Whether you're saving for a car in 6 months or a house in 6 years, AI keeps your plan relevant and up to date. You can adjust goals anytime, and AI will instantly update your strategy based on the new timeline or amount. Many savings apps powered by AI connect directly to your bank, allowing real-time transfers and immediate access to your progress. No more spreadsheets or calculator stress. AI makes planning for your future clear, actionable, and efficient. If you're behind on a goal, AI might suggest skipping one restaurant meal or cutting back on streaming services to catch up. Rather than saying, "Save more," AI tells you exactly how much to save and where to cut back based on your personal data. This specificity transforms vague wishes into concrete, achievable financial goals. AI-powered visual dashboards keep your financial goals front and center, making it easier to stay motivated. Some apps also offer social sharing, so you and your friends or family can pursue goals together and encourage each other. Whether it's saving for a wedding or paying off a loan, group goals managed by AI increase accountability and commitment. AI can also alert you when a bill is due soon and recommend a quick savings adjustment to ensure it's covered. This proactive support reduces stress and keeps you ahead of financial deadlines. If you're saving for multiple things, AI tracks and balances your progress across all of them, maximizing your efficiency. The result? You're always making progress, even when you're not paying attention. Some apps even offer rewards or cashback for consistent saving, using AI to drive positive behaviors with incentives. AI goal planning isn't just about money, it's about transforming your mindset to think long-term and act with purpose. The more you engage with these tools, the smarter and more personalized they become over time. They adjust for seasonal changes, one-time expenses, and life events to ensure your savings stay on track. You can also get reminders for upcoming goals and suggestions on how to boost savings in the final stretch. Want to reach a goal faster? AI might suggest a temporary 10% boost in savings and show how much sooner you'll succeed. It's a dynamic, data-driven way to make meaningful progress toward what truly matters in your financial life. AI doesn't just help you save, it helps you dream bigger, plan smarter, and act more effectively. No matter your income level, AI can design a savings strategy that fits your needs, values, and timeline. AI brings transparency, efficiency, and encouragement into every part of your savings journey. Whether you're saving for security or for fun, smart automation ensures your money is always moving in the right direction. And because it all runs in the background, you build wealth without constant effort or stress. This is the new reality of saving money: intelligent, intuitive, and fully powered by AI. 3. AI in investment and wealth building. AI is transforming investing by making sophisticated tools once reserved for experts available to everyday people. Robo-advisors use AI algorithms to build and manage diversified portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance and goals. Unlike human advisors, robo-advisors work 24/7, continuously monitoring markets and adjusting your investments automatically. AI can analyze thousands of data points in seconds, detecting market trends and opportunities far faster than humans. With AI, you get personalized investment advice based on your financial situation, not generic suggestions. These platforms can rebalance portfolios automatically to maintain the ideal risk-return balance for your profile. AI-powered investing reduces costs, often charging lower fees than traditional financial advisors. You can start investing with very little money thanks to fractional shares and AI-driven micro-investment platforms. AI tools analyze your past investments to learn your preferences and improve future recommendations. Machine learning models use historical market data to forecast potential asset performance with higher accuracy. AI can detect emerging market trends or sectors before they become mainstream, giving you a strategic advantage. Behavioral biases, like panic selling or overconfidence, are reduced by AI's emotionless decision-making. AI can identify and avoid risky investments by analyzing patterns humans might miss. Some platforms provide AI chatbots that answer your investment questions instantly, anytime you need advice. You can test different scenarios, like adding funds or withdrawing money, to see how your portfolio might change. AI enables goal-based investing, linking investments directly to your financial objectives like retirement or education. Many platforms use AI to optimize tax efficiency, automatically harvesting losses to reduce your tax bill. You can monitor your portfolio's performance with intuitive AI dashboards that simplify complex data. AI also tracks economic indicators and news events to alert you of potential risks or opportunities in your portfolio. Whether you prefer stocks, bonds, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies, AI can tailor recommendations to your interests. AI-driven platforms support passive and active investing strategies, adapting as market conditions change. AI can help you build diversified portfolios that minimize risk while maximizing potential returns over time. You don't need deep market knowledge. AI provides easy-to-understand explanations of investment choices. Investment decisions once requiring hours of research are now simplified by AI-powered tools and insights. AI systems continuously learn from your feedback, improving recommendations based on your evolving preferences. Some robo-advisors offer socially responsible investing options, aligning your portfolio with your values. AI can detect unusual market behavior and warn you of potential volatility or bubbles before they burst. With AI, you can set automated rules, like selling when a stock reaches a target price or buying dips. AI investment apps often include educational modules, helping you learn while you grow your wealth. Real-time monitoring means your portfolio is always optimized for changing market conditions. By reducing emotional influence, AI helps prevent common investing mistakes like chasing trends or panic selling. AI can manage complex strategies like options trading and portfolio hedging for advanced investors. Many AI investment platforms integrate with your bank accounts for seamless fund transfers and consolidated views. You can track your investment goals' progress in real time and receive alerts if adjustments are needed. AI makes international investing accessible, analyzing global markets and currency risks on your behalf. Thanks to AI, investing is no longer intimidating. It's a tool anyone can use to grow wealth smartly and safely. Machine learning models can identify undervalued stocks by scanning financial statements and news sentiment. Some platforms offer AI-driven predictive analytics to forecast dividend payments and stock price movements. AI also helps with retirement planning, recommending how much to invest and which assets to prioritize. Portfolio diversification is simplified with AI, balancing your exposure across sectors, geographies, and asset classes. AI can help identify alternative investments like real estate or commodities to enhance your portfolio. You can customize risk profiles and time horizons, with AI adjusting recommendations dynamically. AI reduces the need for multiple advisors by consolidating insights into a single smart platform. Investment apps powered by AI are accessible via mobile, so you can manage your portfolio anytime, anywhere. The combination of AI and big data is transforming how wealth is built and preserved for future generations. AI's ability to quickly analyze vast datasets means faster reaction to market changes, improving returns. You no longer need to guess when to buy or sell. AI tools provide data-driven signals to guide decisions. Many AI platforms offer automatic dividend reinvestment, compounding your investment returns effortlessly. Some AI systems incorporate alternative data, like social media trends or satellite images, to gain investment insights. AI-powered investment management lowers barriers to entry, democratizing wealth-building opportunities. AI can simulate multiple portfolio outcomes based on different economic scenarios and your choices. This allows you to prepare for best-case and worst-case situations with confidence and flexibility. AI also helps identify overexposed sectors in your portfolio and suggests rebalancing strategies. With AI, you gain clarity on fees, risks, and potential returns in an easy-to-understand format. By reducing guesswork, AI gives you confidence to stick to your investment plan through market ups and downs. Financial advisors increasingly rely on AI tools to enhance their recommendations and improve client outcomes. The future of investing is collaborative, humans and AI working together for smarter financial decisions. AI-powered investing platforms are continually improving, with advances in natural language processing and data analytics. Your money is no longer just parked, it's actively working for you, optimized by cutting-edge technology. Whether beginner or expert, AI levels the playing field by offering tools once reserved for the wealthy. With AI's help, you can invest with greater precision, control, and peace of mind. Wealth building is no longer about luck or timing, it's about leveraging AI insights to make smarter moves. Investing is becoming more transparent, affordable, and accessible thanks to AI's transformative power. As AI evolves, so will your ability to grow and protect your financial future with confidence. The investment landscape is changing fast, and AI is at the forefront of this financial revolution. Welcome to the era of intelligent investing, where your portfolio adapts, learns, and grows with you. Section 4. AI in credit, loans and debt management. AI is revolutionizing credit by providing smarter ways to assess risk, approve loans, and manage debt efficiently. Traditional credit scores are being enhanced by AI algorithms that consider a wider range of data for fairer decisions. AI models analyze transaction histories, spending habits, and even social behavior to assess creditworthiness more accurately. This means more people, including those with thin credit files, can access loans and credit cards they couldn't before. AI-powered credit scoring can detect fraud faster by spotting unusual activity and flagging suspicious accounts in real time. Loan approvals that once took days or weeks can now happen within minutes thanks to AI-driven automation. AI streamlines the application process by pre-filling forms, verifying documents, and providing instant eligibility checks. Some AI systems offer personalized loan options tailored to your financial health and repayment capacity. AI can suggest the best loan products with lower interest rates and flexible terms based on your unique profile. With AI's help, lenders can better predict default risk, leading to more responsible lending and borrowing. Chatbots powered by AI provide instant support for questions about loans, payments, and credit reports 24/7. AI tools help you track all your debts in one place, giving a clear overview and prioritizing payments effectively. Smart debt management apps analyze your loans, interest rates, and payment schedules to optimize repayment plans. AI can recommend strategies like the avalanche or snowball methods, selecting the best approach based on your finances. By automating payments and reminders, AI helps you avoid late fees and improve your credit score steadily. AI-driven budgeting tools can allocate extra funds toward high-interest debt, speeding up payoff times. Some apps negotiate with creditors using AI-powered communication to reduce interest rates or fees on your behalf. AI can identify opportunities to refinance loans or consolidate debt, saving you money and reducing stress. You'll receive alerts when new loan offers match your profile, allowing smarter borrowing decisions. AI tracks changes in your credit score and explains which actions improved or harmed it. By monitoring your financial behavior, AI predicts when you might struggle with payments and suggests preventive actions. Personalized coaching from AI chatbots can help you build healthier credit habits over time. AI improves transparency, showing you how each financial choice impacts your creditworthiness instantly. You can simulate how taking new loans or missing payments will affect your credit score before making decisions. AI assists lenders in identifying potentially fraudulent applications through pattern recognition and anomaly detection. This protects you and the financial system from scams and identity theft. By analyzing broader datasets, AI is working to eliminate bias in lending and promote financial inclusion. AI can speed up approval for mortgages, car loans, and personal loans while ensuring compliance with regulations. Smart contracts powered by AI automate loan terms and repayments, reducing paperwork and errors. AI-enabled platforms allow peer-to-peer lending, connecting borrowers directly with investors efficiently. You can access loan calculators with AI-driven insights on total costs, monthly payments, and payoff timelines. AI helps improve financial literacy by explaining credit terms and loan conditions in simple language. You'll get alerts when better refinancing options become available, helping you save thousands over time. AI models use economic indicators to forecast interest rate changes, guiding your borrowing timing. Some platforms offer AI-based credit counseling services personalized to your unique financial challenges. AI helps build alternative credit profiles for those without traditional histories, expanding financial access. Through constant monitoring, AI detects early signs of financial distress and suggests intervention strategies. You can automate debt repayments based on your cash flow patterns, preventing overextension and default. AI assists in setting realistic debt payoff goals by analyzing income, expenses, and loan terms holistically. It also helps prevent overborrowing by providing alerts when loan amounts exceed safe thresholds. AI-backed financial coaching encourages responsible borrowing and timely repayment, improving your credit health. Some systems integrate with your bank accounts to track all liabilities and assets, providing a full financial picture. By managing your debts effectively, AI frees you from stress and improves your overall financial well-being. AI-driven debt consolidation programs evaluate multiple offers and suggest the best fit for your situation. Automated alerts ensure you never miss a payment deadline, protecting your credit score and avoiding penalties. With AI, lenders can offer dynamic credit limits that adjust based on your financial behavior and risk profile. This flexibility helps maintain financial stability while providing access to credit when you need it most. AI's predictive analytics allow early intervention programs that assist borrowers before problems escalate. By analyzing repayment histories, AI identifies customers who may benefit from financial hardship programs. Loan servicing is becoming more transparent with AI-powered dashboards showing detailed payment histories. AI chatbots help you dispute errors on credit reports quickly, improving your credit accuracy. Personalized debt payoff calculators help you visualize your path to becoming debt-free with step-by-step plans. AI facilitates faster resolution of disputes between borrowers and lenders by providing clear data insights. Some AI platforms offer credit building tools, helping you improve your score through targeted financial activities. AI in credit and lending is evolving rapidly, creating safer, faster, and fairer access to financial products. As AI integrates deeper into the credit ecosystem, expect smoother applications, better customer support, and smarter debt management. This technology is changing the way millions manage loans, build credit, and overcome financial hurdles. Section 5. AI in fraud detection and security? AI is revolutionizing fraud detection by analyzing vast amounts of data to identify suspicious activities instantly and accurately. Machine learning algorithms learn normal transaction patterns to spot anomalies that may indicate fraud or identity theft. AI-powered systems monitor your accounts 24/7, alerting you immediately if unusual behavior is detected. This real-time detection prevents losses by stopping fraudulent transactions before they are completed. Biometric security features like facial recognition and fingerprint scanning use AI to enhance authentication. AI helps banks and financial institutions reduce false positives, ensuring legitimate transactions are not blocked unnecessarily. Natural language processing allows AI chatbots to detect phishing attempts by analyzing message content and context. I can analyze device fingerprints, IP addresses, and location data to verify user identities securely. Deep learning models identify complex fraud patterns that traditional systems often miss. AI adapts continuously to evolving fraud tactics, staying one step ahead of cybercriminals. Fraudulent behavior such as account takeover or synthetic identity creation is detected early by AI systems. AI uses pattern recognition to detect money laundering activities by monitoring transaction flows and sources. Financial institutions use AI to comply with regulatory requirements for fraud prevention and reporting. AI-driven multi-factor authentication strengthens security while maintaining user convenience. Suspicious transactions trigger automated risk assessments, reducing response times dramatically. AI-powered fraud prevention reduces operational costs by minimizing manual investigations. Real-time analytics allow companies to block fraudulent transactions within milliseconds. AI improves customer trust by safeguarding sensitive financial information with advanced encryption methods. By analyzing historical fraud data, AI systems predict and prevent new attack methods. AI can track cybercriminal networks and identify connections between fraudulent accounts. Behavioral biometrics analyze user habits like typing speed or mouse movements to confirm identity. AI alerts you to suspicious login attempts from unfamiliar devices or locations. Machine learning models improve over time, becoming more precise at distinguishing fraud from genuine transactions. AI-driven fraud detection is vital in e-commerce, protecting both consumers and merchants. Financial apps integrate AI to secure mobile payments and prevent unauthorized access. AI helps detect credit card fraud by monitoring transaction velocity and merchant category changes. Continuous learning allows AI to detect zero-day fraud exploits that have no prior signatures. AI collaborates with cybersecurity teams to enhance overall threat detection and response. Customer education tools powered by AI inform users about common fraud tactics and prevention tips. AI-driven systems perform risk scoring on transactions to prioritize alerts for investigation teams. By automating fraud detection, AI allows quicker resolution and reduces customer inconvenience. AI technologies support biometric payment systems, making transactions more secure and seamless. Fraudulent loan applications are identified through AI analysis of inconsistencies and risk factors. AI helps regulatory bodies enforce anti-fraud policies through advanced monitoring techniques. Real-time AI monitoring also detects insider threats within financial institutions. AI-powered anomaly detection identifies suspicious patterns even in encrypted data streams. By using AI, banks minimize financial losses caused by fraudulent activities every year. AI strengthens compliance by ensuring suspicious activities are reported accurately and timely. With AI, financial institutions gain deep insights into fraud trends and emerging threats. Automated fraud response protocols enable immediate action to freeze accounts or transactions. AI-enhanced cybersecurity frameworks protect against data breaches targeting financial data. AI helps identify phishing websites mimicking legitimate financial portals to steal user credentials. Through predictive analytics, AI forecasts potential fraud hotspots before they cause damage. Fraud detection models incorporate social network analysis to track fraudulent rings and collusion. AI also aids in detecting fraudulent insurance claims linked to financial fraud schemes. Multi-layered AI security systems combine biometric, behavioral, and transactional data for robust protection. By integrating AI, financial services can offer faster, safer digital experiences without sacrificing convenience. AI-driven identity verification reduces onboarding friction for new customers while ensuring security. Financial institutions use AI to maintain customer privacy while combating fraud effectively. AI is critical in securing emerging technologies like blockchain and cryptocurrencies against fraud. Through AI, user authentication processes become more adaptive and context-aware, reducing risk. Fraudulent activities linked to credit card skimming are detected early by AI monitoring unusual patterns. AI continuously updates security protocols based on threat intelligence feeds from global sources. The combination of AI and human expertise leads to stronger, more effective fraud prevention systems. AI's ability to process large data volumes makes it indispensable in combating financial crime. AI-driven forensic analysis helps reconstruct fraud incidents for legal and regulatory purposes. By detecting fraud early, AI reduces customer churn and protects brand reputation. AI's role in fraud prevention is growing as cyber threats become more sophisticated and frequent. In summary, AI is transforming financial security by providing faster, smarter, and more reliable fraud detection. 6. AI in financial planning and budgeting. AI-driven financial planning tools analyze your income, expenses, and goals to create personalized budgets and savings plans. Unlike traditional budgeting, AI adapts dynamically to changes in your spending patterns and financial priorities. Smart apps notify you when you're close to overspending in a category, helping you stay on track effortlessly. AI identifies recurring bills and subscriptions, suggesting which ones you might want to cancel or renegotiate. By forecasting future income and expenses, AI helps you prepare for upcoming financial events like taxes or vacations. Personalized budget recommendations from AI factor in your lifestyle, family size, and financial objectives. AI-powered dashboards provide clear visualizations of your cash flow, savings progress, and debt reduction. With AI, setting and adjusting financial goals becomes easier and more precise, ensuring you stay motivated. The technology analyzes historical data to suggest optimal savings rates for emergency funds and retirement. AI can simulate different financial scenarios, showing the long-term impact of decisions like buying a house or investing. Budgeting apps powered by AI sync seamlessly with your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment platforms. Automated alerts remind you to pay bills on time, avoiding late fees and improving credit health. AI helps detect wasteful spending by analyzing daily transactions and categorizing expenses intelligently. Through machine learning, AI tailors advice as your financial situation evolves, ensuring relevance and accuracy. Some platforms offer AI chatbots that provide real-time financial advice and answer budgeting questions. AI's predictive analytics warn you about potential cash flow issues before they become problematic. By integrating AI with calendar apps, you receive reminders for upcoming financial obligations or goals. Smart notifications help you capitalize on discounts, cashback offers, and loyalty rewards effectively. AI can analyze your spending to recommend optimal ways to allocate discretionary income for fun and savings. It encourages healthier financial habits by gamifying budgeting goals and tracking achievements. AI-assisted budgeting reduces the mental load of managing money, making finances less stressful. You can compare actual spending against budgeted amounts visually, gaining insights into habits and trends. AI platforms aggregate your financial data in one place for a comprehensive overview, simplifying management. The technology detects income fluctuations and suggests how to adjust spending accordingly. AI-driven tools help freelancers and entrepreneurs manage irregular income streams effectively. You can set multiple budget goals simultaneously, such as saving for education, a car, or a trip, with AI tracking progress. AI also helps identify seasonal spending spikes, preparing you in advance to avoid surprises. Dynamic budgeting models adjust your plans based on upcoming life changes like marriage, children, or career shifts. AI encourages regular financial check-ins by sending personalized reports and recommendations. By forecasting long-term expenses like healthcare or education, AI helps you prepare well ahead. The technology can integrate tax planning into budgeting, maximizing deductions and refunds. AI supports debt repayment planning alongside budgeting, helping balance saving and borrowing goals. Machine learning enhances accuracy by continuously refining budget categories and suggestions. You can connect AI budgeting tools with investment accounts to align saving and investing strategies. Some AI apps analyze behavioral economics to predict spending impulses and help you avoid them. Financial planners are increasingly using AI tools to provide clients with data-driven, customized advice. AI assists in detecting financial emergencies early and recommends actions to mitigate risks. By tracking your net worth over time, AI provides a holistic view of your financial health. It helps manage multiple bank accounts and credit cards without confusion or oversight. AI-driven budgeting software supports joint financial planning for couples and families. You receive tips on optimizing everyday spending, such as grocery shopping or utility bills, powered by AI insights. Budgeting apps can automatically round up purchases and invest the spare change, building savings effortlessly. AI helps prioritize financial goals based on urgency, amount needed, and expected timelines. It also forecasts the financial impact of lifestyle changes like moving cities or changing jobs. AI-enabled financial literacy programs integrate budgeting tools with educational content. By personalizing learning and planning, AI encourages better money management habits long-term. You get access to detailed spending reports with AI highlighting areas for improvement or savings. Some AI tools offer peer comparisons, showing how your budgeting habits stack up against similar users. AI-powered financial planning adapts instantly to unexpected income changes, such as bonuses or job loss. By syncing with calendars and reminders, AI keeps you accountable and motivated to meet budgeting goals. The technology identifies tax-advantaged saving opportunities, such as IRAs or HSAs, during financial planning. AI helps you visualize and track progress toward major purchases like cars, homes, or appliances. With machine learning, AI improves prediction accuracy for regular expenses such as repairs or medical bills. You can easily export your budgeting data to share with financial advisors or for tax filing purposes. AI-driven apps support cash flow management by forecasting periods of surplus or shortfall. By analyzing transaction categories, AI suggests optimal payment methods for maximizing rewards and minimizing fees. AI-powered reminders prevent subscription creep by notifying you about upcoming renewals. The technology helps identify financial leaks, small unnecessary expenses that add up over time. You can customize alerts for specific spending categories or financial milestones using AI tools. AI integrates with voice assistants, allowing hands-free budget tracking and updates. Financial stress can be reduced through AI's constant monitoring and timely suggestions. AI-driven financial planning democratizes access to professional-level budgeting advice. You can connect multiple devices and accounts for real-time, comprehensive budget management. AI continually learns your preferences and tailors notifications to reduce alert fatigue. By analyzing macroeconomic trends, AI can adjust budgeting advice during inflation or recession. Some AI systems gamify budgeting, awarding points and rewards for meeting financial goals. AI-powered financial planning helps you prepare for retirement with tailored savings targets. You receive insights into spending habits that affect your credit score positively or negatively. AI suggests strategies to build emergency funds quickly during times of financial uncertainty. It also helps balance short-term wants with long-term financial security. The technology can track multiple currencies for users with international incomes or expenses. AI's integration with banking APIs allows seamless data synchronization for up-to-date budgets. Budgeting tools powered by AI improve accessibility with user-friendly interfaces and simple explanations. You can automate bill payments and transfers between accounts based on AI recommendations. AI encourages mindful spending by showing how each purchase impacts your financial goals. By continuously monitoring your finances, AI ensures that budgeting remains relevant and actionable. 7. AI in investing and wealth management. AI is transforming investing by analyzing vast datasets to identify trends and opportunities that human investors might miss. Robo-advisors use AI algorithms to create and manage personalized investment portfolios based on your goals and risk tolerance. These digital advisors offer low-cost, automated portfolio rebalancing to keep investments aligned with changing market conditions. AI-powered platforms can evaluate thousands of stocks, bonds, and funds simultaneously for optimal asset allocation. Machine learning models analyze historical data to predict potential market movements and adjust investment strategies accordingly. AI helps reduce emotional biases in investing by making decisions based solely on data and probability. Investors get real-time insights on market shifts, enabling quicker reactions to protect or grow their assets. AI-driven sentiment analysis scans news, social media, and financial reports to gauge market sentiment and influence decisions. By processing alternative data sources like satellite imagery or supply chain info, AI finds hidden investment signals. AI enables fractional investing, allowing people to buy portions of expensive assets and diversify with smaller budgets. Investment apps powered by AI offer educational content tailored to your portfolio and risk profile. AI can identify undervalued assets or emerging sectors with high growth potential before mainstream investors notice. Portfolio diversification recommendations from AI minimize risk while maximizing potential returns. Tax loss harvesting is automated by AI, optimizing after-tax returns by strategically selling losing investments. AI helps detect and prevent investment fraud and scams by monitoring unusual patterns in trading behavior. Real-time risk assessment tools allow investors to understand and manage portfolio volatility effectively. AI-driven investment strategies adapt quickly to economic cycles and geopolitical events. Machine learning predicts credit risk for bond investments, helping you choose safer fixed-income assets. AI facilitates socially responsible investing by screening companies based on environmental, social, and governance (ESG) criteria. Behavioral analytics identify when investors may panic sell or buy impulsively, suggesting smarter alternatives. AI-powered chatbots provide instant answers about your portfolio performance and investment options. Quantitative trading models use AI to execute trades at optimal times, maximizing profit and minimizing losses. AI can backtest investment strategies using historical data to validate effectiveness before applying in real markets. Robo-advisors offer personalized retirement planning by forecasting income needs and adjusting portfolios accordingly. AI tools monitor corporate earnings reports and financial statements to refine investment decisions. Sentiment-driven trading strategies utilize AI's analysis of public opinion to capitalize on market momentum. AI helps optimize dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs, by predicting best reinvestment timing for growth. Investors receive alerts on regulatory changes or market news affecting their holdings, powered by AI insights. AI models assess macroeconomic indicators to help investors anticipate market trends and economic cycles. By analyzing alternative data, AI identifies emerging industries and startup investment opportunities. Machine learning improves over time, refining predictions and investment suggestions with every market cycle. AI-driven wealth management platforms integrate budgeting, saving, and investing for holistic financial planning. Through personalized advice, AI empowers novice investors to build diversified portfolios with confidence. Financial advisors leverage AI tools to enhance client service and uncover tailored investment opportunities. AI can detect insider trading activities by monitoring unusual trading volumes and patterns. Investment risk scoring systems use AI to quantify and communicate portfolio risk clearly to investors. AI helps optimize asset liquidation strategies during market downturns to minimize losses. Smart contracts on blockchain platforms use AI to automate complex investment transactions securely. AI models analyze geopolitical risks and their impact on international investments and currencies. Robo-advisors rebalance portfolios automatically to maintain target asset allocations and risk levels. AI enables real-time portfolio tracking and performance reporting accessible via mobile devices. Investor sentiment tracking through AI helps anticipate market bubbles or crashes early. AI tools provide scenario analysis showing the potential impact of economic shocks on portfolios. Machine learning algorithms identify correlation patterns among assets to improve diversification strategies. AI assists in identifying suitable investment horizons based on your financial goals and liquidity needs. Investment apps use AI to recommend sustainable investments aligned with personal values and ethics. AI automates compliance monitoring, ensuring portfolios adhere to regulatory guidelines and risk limits. By integrating AI, wealth management becomes more accessible, affordable, and tailored for diverse investors. AI helps optimize fee structures by comparing costs and performance across investment products. Predictive analytics highlight the best times to enter or exit markets based on historical cycles. AI identifies early warning signs of financial distress in companies, reducing investment risks. AI-powered virtual advisors simulate financial scenarios to help investors prepare for retirement or large purchases. Investment platforms use AI to analyze peer investment behavior for benchmarking and learning. Machine learning detects patterns in market anomalies and arbitrage opportunities. AI assists in portfolio stress testing under various economic conditions to improve resilience. Robo-advisors provide continuous education on investment principles and market trends through AI-driven content. AI-based investment strategies can be tailored for different risk tolerances, from conservative to aggressive. By automating routine tasks, AI frees advisors to focus on complex client needs and personalized guidance. AI monitors liquidity risks to ensure investors can access funds when needed without significant losses. With AI, investors receive customized alerts on dividend payouts, earnings releases, and other important events. AI-powered platforms facilitate impact investing by quantifying social and environmental returns alongside financial gains. Machine learning helps identify fraudulent initial public offerings, IPOs, and pump and dump schemes. AI can simulate the effects of tax changes on investment returns, helping investors plan accordingly. Robo-advisors analyze inflation trends to adjust portfolio strategies for maintaining purchasing power. AI-driven wealth management integrates seamlessly with banking and financial planning apps for a unified experience. Investors can set automated investment rules powered by AI to manage portfolio adjustments and risk exposure. AI tools help identify global market opportunities by analyzing economic data across countries. Machine learning identifies cyclical industry patterns to time investments strategically. AI facilitates the creation of customized ETFs, exchange-traded funds, tailored to individual investor preferences. Investor profiles are continuously updated by AI to reflect changing risk appetite and financial circumstances. AI algorithms optimize asset allocation across multiple accounts and investment vehicles. Through natural language processing, AI summarizes complex financial reports into digestible insights. AI-powered platforms support tax-efficient investing strategies that maximize after-tax wealth. By monitoring news sentiment and geopolitical events, AI adjusts investment risk exposures dynamically. AI models forecast currency fluctuations to support foreign investment decisions. Robo-advisors reduce entry barriers for small investors, democratizing access to sophisticated portfolio management. AI helps predict dividend sustainability by analyzing company financial health and market conditions. Machine learning identifies emerging market trends before they become mainstream investment themes. AI-powered investing is becoming a core tool for institutional and retail investors alike. In conclusion, AI is reshaping investing by making wealth management smarter, more efficient, and accessible to all. 8. AI in credit scoring and lending? AI is revolutionizing credit scoring by analyzing more than just credit history, including alternative data for fairer lending decisions. Traditional credit scoring models are being enhanced with AI to incorporate social, behavioral, and financial data points. Machine learning models can detect subtle patterns that predict creditworthiness better than conventional scoring methods. AI algorithms can evaluate thousands of variables instantly to provide faster, more accurate credit risk assessments. Lenders use AI to approve loans quickly, sometimes within minutes, improving customer experience dramatically. AI reduces bias in credit decisions by relying on data-driven insights rather than human judgment or outdated criteria. Alternative data like utility payments, rental history, and even phone usage are integrated into AI credit models. By analyzing social media and digital footprints, AI can identify trustworthy borrowers previously overlooked by banks. AI-powered credit scoring helps expand financial inclusion by enabling access for unbanked or thin-file customers. Lenders benefit from AI's ability to monitor borrower behavior in real time, allowing early intervention if risks increase. Chatbots powered by AI can guide applicants through loan processes, answering questions and collecting data efficiently. AI models continually learn from new data to improve credit scoring accuracy and adapt to changing economic conditions. Fraud detection systems use AI to identify suspicious loan applications and prevent identity theft. AI-powered underwriting streamlines loan approvals by automating document verification and risk assessment. Credit scores generated by AI provide more personalized interest rates and loan terms for borrowers. Machine learning can predict the likelihood of default more precisely, enabling lenders to price risk appropriately. AI helps lenders detect loan stacking and over-indebtedness by analyzing borrower activity across multiple platforms. Real-time credit monitoring powered by AI alerts borrowers and lenders to changes that could affect credit health. AI-driven lending platforms offer microloans and peer-to-peer loans with rapid decision-making powered by smart algorithms. AI helps detect signs of financial distress early, allowing lenders to offer tailored repayment plans. The use of AI in credit scoring supports responsible lending and reduces non-performing loan rates. AI enables dynamic credit limits that adjust based on borrower behavior and economic trends. By automating repetitive tasks, AI frees loan officers to focus on complex cases and customer relationships. AI evaluates non-traditional income sources, such as gig economy earnings, for loan eligibility. Natural language processing helps AI analyze written loan applications and customer communications. Machine learning models can identify regional economic shifts impacting borrower creditworthiness. AI-powered risk models are used to simulate various lending scenarios to optimize portfolio performance. Credit scoring algorithms using AI can reduce discrimination against minorities and marginalized groups. Borrowers receive personalized credit improvement tips based on AI analysis of their financial behavior. AI helps lenders comply with regulations by providing transparent decision-making processes. Fraud prevention tools powered by AI monitor loan applications for inconsistencies or fabricated information. AI models detect synthetic identity fraud by analyzing patterns across multiple data sources. Real-time borrower monitoring supports proactive outreach to avoid defaults and late payments. AI-powered loan origination systems reduce paperwork and accelerate the loan approval cycle. Machine learning improves collection strategies by predicting borrower repayment likelihood and timing. AI-based credit scoring incorporates environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors into lending decisions. AI helps assess borrower credit risk during economic downturns, allowing lenders to adjust criteria accordingly. Chatbots provide 24/7 support for loan applicants, improving accessibility and customer satisfaction. AI-powered lending platforms integrate with banking systems for seamless credit and repayment management. AI assists in pricing loans dynamically based on borrower risk and market conditions. Credit scoring with AI enables more inclusive lending, benefiting small businesses and startups. Machine learning models continuously update borrower risk profiles as new data becomes available. AI-based lending solutions help reduce operational costs for banks and financial institutions. Loan approval times drop significantly with AI automating verification and scoring processes. AI systems detect early warning signals like missed payments or sudden income changes to manage risk. By analyzing cash flow data, AI helps lenders evaluate self-employed borrowers more accurately. AI-driven lending promotes financial literacy by educating borrowers on credit usage and management. AI helps predict loan default probabilities for different customer segments, improving risk management. Credit risk models powered by AI support portfolio diversification by balancing high and low-risk loans. Fraudulent loan applications are flagged faster with AI, reducing losses for lenders. AI integrates with blockchain technology to create secure, transparent lending platforms. Lenders use AI analytics to optimize marketing strategies for loan products based on customer profiles. AI helps identify borrowers likely to refinance or consolidate debt, aiding proactive financial advice. AI-driven credit scoring models consider macroeconomic factors influencing borrower repayment ability. Machine learning assists in stress testing lending portfolios under various economic scenarios. By automating loan processing, AI reduces human error and increases regulatory compliance. AI-powered lending platforms enhance user experience with intuitive interfaces and fast decision-making. AI helps lenders tailor loan products for niche markets, such as student loans or green financing. By continuously learning, AI improves credit scoring models' resilience to fraud and economic volatility. Borrowers benefit from personalized loan recommendations and repayment plans generated by AI. Systems monitor social and financial behaviors to detect shifts in borrower reliability over time. Real-time AI credit scoring supports instant financing options for point-of-sale purchases. AI-powered analytics help lenders assess the impact of policy changes on credit availability. Machine learning models identify loan portfolio concentrations and recommend diversification strategies. AI enables lenders to evaluate non-financial data, such as education and employment history, for credit decisions. Chatbots powered by AI simplify loan inquiries and application follow-ups, improving customer engagement. AI helps lenders comply with anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. Dynamic credit scoring models powered by AI evolve with market trends to maintain accuracy. AI reduces decision-making time, enabling lenders to compete better in fast-moving credit markets. By predicting borrower behavior, AI helps reduce default rates and improve loan recovery. AI facilitates peer-to-peer lending by matching borrowers with suitable lenders using smart algorithms. Loan servicing platforms use AI to automate payment reminders and manage delinquent accounts effectively. AI assists in identifying creditworthy customers for new loan products and services. Machine learning supports the development of innovative credit products tailored to customer needs. AI enhances transparency in lending by providing clear explanations of credit decisions to borrowers. Credit scoring with AI boosts trust between lenders and borrowers through fairer, more accurate assessments. Section 9. AI in fraud detection and security. AI is a powerful tool in detecting financial fraud by analyzing transaction data for unusual patterns and suspicious activities in real time. Machine learning algorithms learn from historical fraud cases to identify new, evolving threats faster than traditional methods. AI-powered systems monitor millions of transactions every second, flagging anomalies that may indicate fraudulent behavior. Fraud detection models use behavior analysis to detect inconsistencies between user actions and typical spending patterns. AI can differentiate between legitimate transactions and fraudulent ones with high accuracy, reducing false positives. Real-time alerts from AI systems help banks and consumers respond quickly to potential security breaches. Biometric authentication, powered by AI, strengthens security by verifying user identity through facial recognition or fingerprints. AI-driven fraud prevention reduces financial losses by identifying and stopping scams before they cause damage. Machine learning continuously updates fraud detection models to keep pace with sophisticated cybercriminal tactics. AI integrates with cybersecurity systems to protect personal finance data from hacking and unauthorized access. Natural language processing helps analyze customer communications to detect phishing attempts and social engineering. AI-powered anomaly detection can spot unusual login locations or device changes, triggering security measures. Behavioral biometrics analyze typing patterns, mouse movements, and touchscreen interactions to authenticate users. AI systems detect synthetic identities created by combining real and fake information to commit fraud. Transaction velocity monitoring identifies rapid, unusual activity that may signal account takeover or fraud rings. AI helps financial institutions comply with regulatory requirements by automating fraud reporting and documentation. Deep learning models analyze complex data to uncover hidden fraud networks and suspicious relationships. Fraudulent loan applications and insurance claims are flagged early using AI-powered screening tools. AI improves the efficiency of manual fraud investigations by prioritizing cases based on risk scores. Multi-factor authentication combined with AI increases protection against unauthorized access to accounts. AI-powered chatbots educate users about common fraud schemes and offer guidance on protecting their finances. By analyzing historical data, AI predicts emerging fraud trends and recommends proactive defense strategies. Voice recognition AI detects fraud in phone banking by identifying changes in caller voice patterns. AI-driven credit card fraud detection minimizes losses by identifying suspicious purchases immediately. Machine learning models monitor peer-to-peer payment platforms for signs of scams and unauthorized transfers. I detects fraudulent merchant behavior in e-commerce, protecting both buyers and payment processors. AI-powered systems identify malware and ransomware threats targeting financial apps and services. Real-time fraud detection protects mobile banking apps from unauthorized transactions and data breaches. AI helps secure online payment gateways by continuously monitoring transaction integrity and authenticity. Behavioral analytics by AI differentiate between genuine user behavior and automated bot attacks. AI assists in detecting money laundering by analyzing complex transaction chains and identifying suspicious patterns. Machine learning flags abnormal account openings that may indicate synthetic identity fraud. AI-powered systems monitor social media for financial scams and fraudulent investment schemes. Fraud detection tools use AI to analyze geolocation data and IP addresses to identify risky transactions. AI integrates with blockchain for transparent and tamper-proof fraud detection in financial transactions. Cybersecurity platforms use AI to anticipate and mitigate distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks targeting banks. AI automates fraud risk assessment, helping institutions allocate resources to high-risk areas effectively. Natural language processing aids in identifying fraudulent emails and texts attempting to steal financial data. AI helps identify insider threats by monitoring unusual employee activity and access patterns in financial firms. Machine learning models enhance fraud detection in cross-border payments by analyzing transaction anomalies. AI-powered identity verification uses document scanning and facial recognition to prevent identity theft. Real-time AI fraud detection enhances consumer trust and reduces financial service abandonment. AI continuously adapts to new fraud tactics, ensuring robust protection against evolving cyber threats. Predictive analytics by AI forecast potential fraud hotspots, enabling preemptive security measures. AI assists in automating compliance with anti-fraud regulations through detailed transaction analysis. Machine learning models improve detection of account takeover attacks by analyzing login and transaction behavior. AI helps financial institutions collaborate and share fraud intelligence securely and efficiently. Voice biometric systems powered by AI provide an additional layer of security in telephone banking. AI-based fraud detection reduces operational costs by minimizing manual review and investigation efforts. By analyzing payment data, AI detects synthetic transaction patterns used in money laundering schemes. Machine learning identifies unusual refund and chargeback activity indicative of fraud. AI enhances the accuracy of fraud scoring models, improving detection and reducing customer inconvenience. AI-powered security protocols protect against phishing and social engineering attacks targeting financial data. Behavioral analytics detect fraud attempts by identifying deviations from normal user spending and login habits. AI helps secure cryptocurrency transactions by monitoring for suspicious wallet activity and transfers. Deep learning models analyze vast financial datasets to uncover complex fraud rings and networks. AI-powered fraud detection is becoming an industry standard for banks, fintechs, and payment processors. Machine learning adapts fraud detection rules in real time, improving response speed and accuracy. AI supports multi-layered security strategies, combining biometrics, behavior analysis, and anomaly detection. Real-time AI monitoring of financial systems reduces the window of opportunity for fraudsters to act. Fraud prevention with AI protects both consumers and businesses, enhancing the overall financial ecosystem. AI-driven insights help organizations understand fraud trends and develop targeted prevention strategies. Machine learning flags suspicious fund transfers to high-risk countries or entities under sanctions. AI detects fraud in digital wallets and mobile money platforms by monitoring transaction patterns. Natural language processing identifies fraudulent online reviews and investment scam promotions. AI systems monitor network traffic to detect intrusion attempts aimed at financial databases. Real-time AI alerts empower consumers to verify transactions instantly and avoid fraud losses. Machine learning models improve over time with feedback from detected fraud cases and new data. AI helps identify synthetic loan applications by cross-referencing multiple data sources for inconsistencies. AI-driven fraud detection improves user experience by minimizing false alarms and unnecessary account freezes. Behavioral biometrics enable continuous authentication, reducing fraud without interrupting legitimate users. AI helps develop adaptive security protocols that evolve as fraud tactics change dynamically. Fraud detection AI is integrated into payment terminals to monitor and block counterfeit card use. AI tools assist compliance officers in tracking suspicious activities and filing timely reports. Machine learning models can detect insider collusion in financial fraud schemes by analyzing interaction patterns. AI-powered fraud detection enhances confidence in digital banking and e-commerce platforms worldwide. Section 10. AI in investment management. AI is transforming investment management by analyzing huge datasets to identify profitable opportunities quickly. Machine learning algorithms predict market trends based on historical data and real-time news analysis. Robo-advisors use AI to create personalized investment portfolios based on user goals and risk tolerance. AI-powered platforms can automatically rebalance portfolios to maintain desired asset allocation. Natural language processing scans earnings calls, news, and social media to gauge market sentiment. AI helps investors avoid emotional decision-making by providing data-driven recommendations. By analyzing alternative data like satellite images or credit card receipts, AI uncovers hidden market signals. High-frequency trading firms use AI to execute thousands of trades per second with minimal human intervention. AI reduces costs by automating routine tasks like trade settlement and compliance monitoring. Investment managers leverage AI to identify undervalued assets and avoid potential risks. Machine learning models analyze global economic indicators to advise on asset diversification. AI can detect insider trading patterns and unusual market activity to protect investors. Chatbots powered by AI provide 24/7 customer support and investment advice. AI-driven sentiment analysis helps investors understand public opinion on stocks and sectors. AI forecasts dividend trends and earnings surprises to optimize income-generating strategies. By monitoring geopolitical events, AI predicts their impact on financial markets in real time. AI enhances ESG, environmental, social, governance, investing by analyzing company data comprehensively. Robo-advisors tailor portfolios for sustainable and socially responsible investments. AI enables micro-investing apps to offer personalized advice to retail investors. Machine learning helps identify arbitrage opportunities in complex markets. AI-powered platforms aggregate data from multiple exchanges for better trade execution. Algorithmic trading driven by AI minimizes latency and maximizes profit potential. AI analyzes alternative investments like real estate and private equity for portfolio inclusion. By forecasting volatility, AI aids in designing risk management strategies. AI improves back-testing of investment strategies to validate performance before deployment. Machine learning enhances factor investing by identifying relevant financial metrics dynamically. AI supports tax loss harvesting by identifying optimal times to sell securities for tax benefits. AI analyzes corporate filings to extract actionable investment insights. Natural language processing enables voice commands for portfolio inquiries and trades. AI integrates with blockchain for secure and transparent investment transactions. AI identifies correlations across asset classes to optimize diversification. By tracking liquidity metrics, AI helps investors enter and exit positions efficiently. AI platforms offer scenario analysis for stress testing portfolios under different market conditions. AI can create synthetic financial instruments tailored to investor preferences. AI supports behavioral finance by detecting biases and suggesting corrective actions. Machine learning models analyze macroeconomic policy changes to forecast market reactions. AI-powered tools identify emerging industries and disruptive technologies for early investment. Robo-advisors continuously learn from market data to refine recommendations. AI enhances portfolio performance attribution to understand returns and risks clearly. AI-powered dashboards visualize investment performance with real-time analytics. Machine learning detects fraudulent investment schemes and protects investors. AI optimizes fixed income portfolios by modeling interest rate changes and credit risk. By analyzing social media trends, AI detects hype cycles and market bubbles early. AI aids in developing customized retirement plans based on user behavior and goals. AI helps democratize investing by lowering barriers and simplifying complex concepts. Section 11. AI in budgeting and expense management. AI-powered budgeting apps help track daily expenses by automatically categorizing transactions. Machine learning models forecast future spending based on past habits and income trends. AI recommends personalized budgets tailored to user goals like saving, debt reduction, or investing. Chatbots provide real-time alerts about overspending and suggest corrective measures. Voice assistants can log expenses and provide budget summaries on demand. AI identifies recurring subscriptions and helps users cancel unwanted services. Expense forecasting with AI helps prevent cash shortfalls by analyzing pay cycles. AI suggests savings challenges and goals to motivate better money habits. By analyzing spending patterns, AI spots areas where users can reduce costs. AI integrates with bank accounts to provide a holistic view of finances in one place. Machine learning detects unusual or fraudulent charges and alerts users promptly. AI visualizes spending trends with charts and graphs for easy understanding. AI-driven notifications remind users of upcoming bill payments to avoid late fees. Users can receive personalized financial tips and articles based on their budgeting behavior. AI automatically syncs expenses across multiple accounts and credit cards. Budgeting apps powered by AI offer peer comparisons to benchmark spending habits. Machine learning helps users optimize grocery and utility bills by recommending cheaper alternatives. AI analyzes lifestyle changes to adjust budgets dynamically, e.g., new job or family additions. AI supports goal-based budgeting, such as saving for education, travel, or home purchase. Expense tracking AI learns from user feedback to improve categorization accuracy. AI-powered tools can split shared expenses among family or roommates fairly. Machine learning forecasts the impact of future expenses like taxes or medical bills. AI helps manage cash flow by suggesting optimal timing for bill payments and transfers. By detecting spending spikes, AI prevents accidental overspending during holidays or events. AI integrates with loyalty and rewards programs to maximize benefits and savings. Chatbots offer instant answers about remaining budget and upcoming expenses. AI recommends financial products like cashback credit cards based on spending habits. Expense management apps powered by AI provide data-driven insights into lifestyle costs. AI helps users stick to budgets through gamification and personalized challenges. Voice commands simplify expense logging and financial inquiries on the go. AI suggests better payment plans for loans and credit cards to reduce interest costs. Machine learning models analyze variable income streams to create flexible budgets. AI supports integration with tax software to prepare for filing season. AI predicts future expenses related to healthcare, childcare, and education based on trends. Users receive customized alerts about budget deviations and suggested actions. AI automates reconciliation of bank statements with budget plans to ensure accuracy. Expense tracking apps powered by AI offer offline functionality for areas with limited connectivity. Machine learning personalizes financial coaching and budgeting advice. AI detects lifestyle inflation early and helps users maintain disciplined spending. AI integrates with calendar apps to remind users of financial deadlines and goals. Expense analysis powered by AI identifies cost-saving opportunities during big purchases. AI helps set realistic savings targets based on user priorities and financial capacity. Budgeting tools powered by AI support multi-currency management for travelers and expats. AI automates financial journaling by summarizing spending and income trends. Machine learning identifies seasonal spending patterns and recommends adjustments. AI-powered budgeting apps provide alerts about potential overdrafts before they occur. Users benefit from AI insights on managing irregular expenses like gifts and repairs. AI offers detailed reports on financial progress toward short-term and long-term goals. Machine learning models evaluate the impact of lifestyle changes on budgeting effectiveness. AI assists in managing allowances and pocket money for children and teenagers. Expense management apps powered by AI enable secure sharing of financial data with family members. AI helps users prioritize debt payments while maintaining essential expenses. Section 12. AI in savings and wealth building. AI-powered savings apps analyze income and spending to recommend optimal saving amounts automatically. Machine learning identifies periods of low expenses and suggests opportunities for increased savings. AI helps users set personalized savings goals for emergencies, vacations, or big purchases. Robo-advisors assist in building wealth through diversified investment portfolios. AI analyzes market conditions to suggest the best times to buy or sell assets for wealth growth. Savings apps powered by AI encourage consistent contributions through reminders and incentives. AI can round up purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference automatically. Machine learning models predict future financial needs to prepare for life changes proactively. AI supports wealth building by identifying side income and investment opportunities. AI helps track net worth by aggregating assets and liabilities from multiple accounts. By monitoring spending leaks, AI frees up cash flow to boost savings rates. AI recommends high-yield savings accounts or CDs based on current interest rates. Machine learning evaluates the impact of inflation on savings goals and adjusts plans accordingly. AI-powered financial coaching encourages good habits like automatic transfers to savings. Savings apps integrate with budgeting tools to ensure saving goals align with overall finances. AI detects early signs of financial stress and suggests adjustments to maintain savings plans. Robo-advisors automate dividend reinvestment to compound wealth over time. Machine learning identifies tax-advantaged accounts that maximize after-tax returns. AI helps users balance saving for short-term needs and long-term wealth building. Savings platforms powered by AI analyze lifestyle spending to find extra saving opportunities. AI recommends portfolio diversification strategies to minimize risk while growing wealth. Machine learning models optimize asset allocation based on age, goals, and risk tolerance. AI-powered apps offer personalized advice on debt repayment to free up money for savings. Savings challenges and gamification increase user engagement with AI-driven incentives. AI helps manage emergency funds by analyzing income volatility and expense unpredictability. Machine learning predicts retirement readiness and suggests adjustments to savings plans. AI integrates with financial planning software to create comprehensive wealth-building strategies. Savings apps use AI to automate transfers based on paycheck schedules and spending habits. AI provides real-time feedback on savings progress through mobile notifications and dashboards. Machine learning helps users understand the long-term benefits of compound interest on wealth growth. AI-powered wealth management platforms offer holistic advice covering investments, savings, and expenses. Savings apps support multiple currencies for users with international financial goals. AI detects behavioral patterns like procrastination and provides timely motivational nudges. Machine learning models simulate different savings scenarios to optimize user plans. AI helps users avoid common pitfalls like premature withdrawal or impulse spending. Robo-advisors offer tax-efficient investment strategies to maximize after-tax wealth. Savings tools powered by AI provide educational content tailored to individual knowledge levels. AI assists in automating estate planning to ensure wealth transfer aligns with user wishes. Machine learning supports goal adjustment as financial circumstances change over time. AI helps users monitor and reduce lifestyle inflation to maintain consistent savings rates. Savings apps powered by AI provide social sharing features for accountability and motivation. AI helps identify and minimize fees and charges that erode savings and investment returns. Machine learning evaluates risk tolerance dynamically as market conditions evolve. AI-powered platforms integrate with banking apps for seamless savings and investment management. Savings apps provide personalized dashboards that visualize progress toward multiple financial goals. AI supports automated charitable giving strategies that align with wealth-building plans. Machine learning models forecast long-term inflation and recommend savings adjustments. AI helps users prepare financially for major life events like marriage, children, or education. Savings apps powered by AI promote financial discipline through continuous feedback loops. Section 13. AI in financial education and literacy. AI is revolutionizing financial education by providing personalized learning experiences tailored to each individual's needs and pace. Machine learning algorithms analyze how users interact with content and adapt lessons to focus on their weaknesses and strengths. AI-powered chatbots answer financial questions instantly, offering accessible guidance anytime, anywhere without waiting for human help. Natural language processing allows AI tutors to engage users in conversations, making complex financial concepts easier to understand. Gamification through AI-driven platforms encourages consistent learning by rewarding progress and creating interactive challenges. Personalized learning paths focus on areas like budgeting, investing, credit scores, and debt management based on user knowledge levels. AI identifies knowledge gaps by tracking quiz results and user behavior, then dynamically adjusts course material for improvement. Financial education apps powered by AI provide bite-sized lessons and real-world examples to ensure practical understanding. AI can simulate real financial scenarios, helping users practice decision-making without risking actual money. By analyzing spending and saving habits, AI tailors educational content to address users' personal financial situations. Machine learning tracks long-term progress, giving users feedback on their financial literacy growth and suggesting next steps. AI-enabled platforms integrate multimedia content such as videos, infographics, and interactive calculators for diverse learning styles. Voice assistants powered by AI allow users to learn financial concepts hands-free, making education accessible on the go. AI helps demystify jargon and complex terms by offering simple, easy-to-understand explanations and examples. Personalized reminders and nudges motivate learners to stay engaged and complete their financial education courses. AI-driven tools recommend resources like books, articles, and podcasts aligned with the user's financial goals and interests. Simulations created by AI help users understand investment risks, budgeting trade-offs, and credit management in safe environments. AI can tailor education programs for different age groups, from teenagers to adults, ensuring relevant content for all. Financial literacy apps use AI to build confidence by progressively increasing the difficulty of lessons as skills improve. Machine learning analyzes common mistakes users make and offers targeted tips to avoid them in the future. AI supports multilingual education, breaking down language barriers and expanding access to financial knowledge globally. Interactive AI tutors provide personalized coaching, answering questions and offering encouragement throughout the learning process. AI helps schools and educators customize financial literacy curricula based on student performance and interests. Personalized dashboards powered by AI track educational milestones and display progress in an easy-to-understand format. AI recommends setting achievable financial goals during learning, helping users apply their knowledge practically. Learning platforms powered by AI offer real-time feedback, reinforcing positive habits and correcting misunderstandings immediately. Machine learning models identify user motivation levels and adjust content delivery to keep learners engaged and motivated. AI integrates with social platforms to enable peer learning, discussion forums, and community support for financial education. By analyzing market trends, AI updates financial education content to keep learners informed about current economic conditions. AI-powered education helps bridge the financial literacy gap between different socioeconomic groups. Personalized financial literacy tools prepare users to make smarter decisions regarding credit, loans, and investments. AI-driven apps track learners' emotional responses to content, adapting tone and complexity to reduce anxiety about finances. Virtual reality and AI combine to create immersive learning experiences that simulate real financial challenges and rewards. AI helps parents teach children about money management by providing age-appropriate, interactive financial lessons. Financial education powered by AI supports lifelong learning by continuously adapting to changing financial environments. AI simplifies tax education, helping users understand deductions, filing procedures, and tax planning strategies. Machine learning tracks behavioral patterns that affect money habits and incorporates this into tailored education plans. AI identifies emerging financial products and concepts, updating education content to keep users ahead of the curve. Financial literacy platforms use AI to create certification programs that validate users' knowledge and skills. AI-powered education tools promote responsible financial behavior by highlighting the consequences of poor decisions. Through AI, learners gain access to personalized budgeting, investing, and saving tutorials that fit their lifestyle and goals. AI helps detect misinformation and scams, educating users on how to recognize and avoid financial fraud. By integrating with financial apps, AI provides hands-on practice opportunities within a safe learning environment. AI assists in creating inclusive financial education for differently abled learners through voice, text, and visual aids. Machine learning predicts future financial challenges users might face and prepares them with targeted lessons. AI-powered analytics help educators measure the effectiveness of financial literacy programs and improve them continuously. Personalized AI tutors provide motivational support, helping learners overcome financial anxiety and build confidence. AI enables adaptive testing, adjusting question difficulty based on learner responses to provide a precise skill assessment. Interactive AI platforms offer scenario-based learning to improve problem-solving and critical thinking in finance. AI-driven tools encourage continuous learning by sending periodic financial tips and updates tailored to user progress. By integrating financial education with real-life data, AI makes lessons relevant and actionable for users. AI-powered virtual advisors simulate financial counseling sessions, offering personalized advice during education. Machine learning identifies correlations between financial knowledge and behavior change, refining educational approaches. AI supports multilingual voice recognition, making financial education accessible in multiple languages and dialects. By using AI, financial literacy programs become scalable, reaching a global audience with customized content. AI helps users build budgeting skills by providing instant feedback on their simulated spending decisions. Gamified AI platforms use leaderboards and rewards to foster healthy competition and sustained engagement. AI-powered financial literacy tools adapt to new regulations and policy changes, ensuring users stay informed. By analyzing spending and saving patterns, AI tailors lessons that encourage better money habits gradually. AI-enabled simulations teach users how to manage credit scores, loans, and debt repayment effectively. AI helps users visualize the long-term impact of financial decisions, increasing awareness and planning skills. Financial education apps powered by AI provide peer support and mentoring through integrated community forums. AI-driven tools assist in teaching investment basics, risk tolerance, and portfolio diversification for beginners. By continuously adapting content, AI ensures financial literacy remains relevant as user needs evolve. AI makes financial education fun and interactive, reducing the intimidation factor often associated with money topics. Machine learning predicts which concepts users struggle with and offers additional practice to reinforce understanding. AI-powered apps can integrate with schools' curricula, complementing classroom teaching with personalized support. AI helps users track progress toward certification in financial literacy, motivating completion and mastery. AI-enhanced education platforms help combat misinformation by providing verified, evidence-based financial knowledge. By using AI, financial education can be tailored to different cultural contexts, making it globally relevant. AI-powered tutors assist users in setting realistic, measurable financial goals aligned with their learning. Machine learning tracks the impact of educational interventions on actual financial behavior over time. AI helps bridge the gap between theoretical financial knowledge and practical money management skills. Financial education tools powered by AI incorporate storytelling and real-world examples to enhance retention. AI personalizes content delivery formats, catering to visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learners. AI-driven financial literacy apps provide adaptive pacing, allowing learners to progress at their own speed. By integrating AI, financial education becomes more inclusive, accessible, and effective for diverse populations. AI encourages continuous skill development by updating users on new financial tools and strategies. Financial literacy powered by AI promotes financial empowerment, reducing economic inequality over time. AI helps create engaging microlearning modules that fit into busy lifestyles and promote regular study. Machine learning supports social learning by connecting users with peers who share similar financial goals. AI-powered platforms help learners develop critical thinking skills necessary for sound financial decision-making. By combining AI with human coaching, financial education achieves personalized, scalable, and impactful results. 14. AI in fraud detection and security. AI is a game-changer in financial fraud detection, analyzing millions of transactions instantly to spot suspicious behavior in real time. Machine learning models continuously learn from new data, improving their ability to identify fraudulent patterns and reduce false alarms. AI-powered systems monitor unusual spending, login attempts, and geographic anomalies to protect users' accounts from unauthorized access. Biometric AI tools like facial recognition and voice verification add layers of security to financial apps, making fraud much harder. By automating fraud detection, AI helps banks respond faster and prevent potential losses before customers are even aware. AI can detect identity theft by cross-referencing user data with global fraud databases, alerting users instantly. Behavioral analytics powered by AI track normal user habits, flagging deviations that might indicate account takeover or scams. AI-powered chatbots can guide users in real time if suspicious activity is detected, helping them secure their accounts immediately. Machine learning algorithms adapt to new fraud tactics, staying one step ahead of cybercriminals trying to exploit financial systems. AI helps reduce financial crime by screening transactions against known fraud patterns and regulatory blacklists globally. Financial institutions use AI to meet strict compliance requirements, automating risk assessments and reporting suspicious activity. AI-powered encryption and blockchain technologies work together to safeguard sensitive financial information from hackers. AI-enabled anomaly detection highlights subtle signs of money laundering or insider trading that manual reviews might miss. AI systems can process vast amounts of data across multiple accounts to detect coordinated fraud schemes and alert authorities. By integrating AI into mobile banking apps, users benefit from real-time fraud alerts and instant transaction verification. AI assists fraud analysts by prioritizing cases with the highest risk scores, improving investigation efficiency and accuracy. AI-driven risk scoring models assess customer profiles to prevent fraudulent credit applications and identity fraud. Machine learning helps identify phishing scams by analyzing email patterns and alerting users before they engage with fake links. AI-powered cybersecurity tools defend against malware and ransomware attacks targeting financial institutions and customers. AI algorithms detect synthetic identity fraud, where criminals combine real and fake data to create new fraudulent profiles. Continuous AI monitoring reduces financial losses by enabling quick fraud response and minimizing the damage caused by attacks. AI helps educate users about common fraud tactics by providing timely tips and alerts based on detected threats. AI-powered systems integrate with law enforcement databases, speeding up the identification and prosecution of fraudsters. Machine learning tracks emerging fraud trends, enabling institutions to update their defenses proactively and effectively. By combining AI with human expertise, financial institutions strengthen their overall fraud prevention strategies. AI facilitates secure digital identity verification, simplifying onboarding processes while maintaining high security. Advanced AI models simulate potential fraud attacks to test and improve institutional defenses continuously. AI analyzes user device interactions, detecting bot activity and automated fraud attempts in real time. AI-powered credit card security features enable instant transaction blocking when suspicious activity is detected. Financial institutions use AI for cross-border fraud detection, monitoring international transactions for suspicious activity. AI-driven systems flag unusual loan repayment behaviors that might indicate fraud or financial distress. I helps reduce false positives, ensuring legitimate transactions are approved without unnecessary delays for customers. Machine learning enhances multi-factor authentication by adapting verification steps based on user risk profiles. AI models identify attempts to manipulate stock prices or insider trading by analyzing large datasets of market activity. AI assists in securing digital wallets and cryptocurrencies, detecting fraudulent transfers and unauthorized access attempts. Real-time AI monitoring of ATM transactions helps prevent skimming and other physical card fraud tactics. AI-powered cybersecurity education tools help employees and users recognize and avoid phishing and social engineering attacks. AI identifies compromised accounts by tracking unusual login times, locations, and device fingerprints. Machine learning helps financial institutions assess vendor and third-party risks, preventing supply chain fraud. AI-driven continuous authentication methods ensure that users remain verified throughout a financial session. AI enhances payment gateway security, reducing risks associated with online and contactless payments. By automating fraud prevention workflows, AI reduces operational costs while improving security effectiveness. AI integrates with biometric devices to provide seamless, secure customer identification and access control. Machine learning models assess transaction velocity and frequency to flag potential fraudulent activity quickly. AI-powered tools assist in tracing stolen funds across multiple financial networks, aiding recovery efforts. Behavioral biometrics, powered by AI, analyze typing patterns and mouse movements to detect account takeover attempts. AI systems learn from global fraud incidents, sharing threat intelligence to bolster collective security efforts. AI continuously adapts fraud models to new regulations and emerging cyber threats in the financial industry. By protecting personal and financial data, AI boosts customer trust and confidence in digital financial services. AI helps develop early warning systems that predict fraud spikes related to seasonal or economic changes. Financial institutions leverage AI to automate compliance checks, ensuring adherence to anti-money laundering laws. AI-powered forensic tools analyze historical data to uncover long-term fraud schemes and collusion. Real-time AI alerts help customers freeze accounts or cards immediately upon suspected fraud detection. AI assists regulators by providing detailed analytics and insights into fraud patterns across financial sectors. Machine learning evaluates the legitimacy of digital identities used in remote financial transactions. AI-driven fraud prevention enhances the security of peer-to-peer payment platforms and mobile wallets. AI helps prevent social engineering attacks by analyzing communication patterns and alerting users of potential risks. AI's predictive analytics assess the likelihood of fraudulent claims in insurance and lending processes. By automating fraud detection, AI allows financial institutions to focus on strategic security improvements. The financial world is changing fast, and artificial intelligence is leading the charge with tools that are smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever. From budgeting apps to investment bots, AI is no longer a luxury. It's a practical assistant for everyday people who want to take control of their money. Throughout this video, we explored how AI reshapes financial habits, simplifies decisions, and builds better money management for individuals. We saw how robo-advisors tailor investment strategies to your needs, making wealth building more accessible than ever before. AI doesn't just react, it anticipates, analyzes, and guides your financial behavior in real time for smarter outcomes. Whether you're trying to save, invest, or reduce debt, AI tools give you the insight and automation you need to progress faster. With every transaction, AI learns about your financial personality, helping you create a plan that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. Personal finance is no longer a confusing jungle of spreadsheets. AI transforms it into a guided journey powered by data and convenience. We've covered the rise of robo-advisors, chatbots, smart budgeting tools, and AI-driven lending systems revolutionizing access to capital. From fraud prevention to personalized financial education, AI is touching every corner of how we interact with our money. You don't need to be a tech genius or finance expert anymore. AI handles the complexity and gives you clear, simple choices. AI in personal finance is about empowerment. It gives everyday users the ability to make smart decisions with confidence and ease. We've seen how banks, startups, and fintech apps are adopting AI to deliver more value, security, and personalization than ever before. With just a few clicks, users can now get tailored insights into their spending, savings, and investment behavior 24/7. AI's ability to detect fraud in milliseconds has redefined security in the financial space, keeping your money safer than ever. Through automation, AI frees up your time by handling routine financial tasks so you can focus on your bigger life goals. We also saw how AI improves credit scoring by analyzing more than just your bank balance, opening doors for many who were once excluded. From students to business owners, AI is giving every person access to tools that once required a full financial team to manage. Whether you want to retire early or build a safety net, AI systems are here to make that process more efficient and effective. The rise of voice assistants and financial chatbots means financial help is now just a conversation away. The beauty of AI lies in how it adapts to your lifestyle. It learns your behavior and delivers relevant suggestions on the go. Through real-time updates and predictive alerts, AI can guide you away from financial mistakes before they even happen. And it's just getting started. AI continues to evolve, bringing even more power, precision, and personalization to your financial journey. What was once only available to the wealthy, like financial advisors and investment planners, is now accessible to all, thanks to AI. As you've seen, AI is transforming more than your wallet, it's transforming your mindset around money. Knowledge is no longer just power, it's automation, intelligence, and daily financial awareness powered by smart algorithms. From improving financial literacy to helping young adults save wisely, AI is making a difference across generations. We explored how AI is making financial education more interactive, engaging, and available to anyone with a smartphone. Even if you're just starting out, AI tools can help you build strong habits that create wealth and stability over time. It's no longer about working harder for your money, it's about letting your money work smarter for you, with AI's help. With personalized insights and smart automation, your financial future is now something you can shape with clarity. Every dollar you spend, save, or invest can now be optimized through systems that think, learn, and adapt. AI is not replacing financial thinking, it's enhancing it, giving you better tools to make informed decisions. We've also explored how AI protects your accounts, transactions, and identity from evolving threats and scams. As we conclude, it's clear that AI is more than a trend, it's a foundation of modern personal finance. Your financial growth doesn't need to be complicated anymore, just smart, strategic, and powered by the right tools. Embracing AI doesn't mean giving up control, it means gaining a powerful partner that helps you achieve more. It helps reduce emotional decision-making by offering logic-backed suggestions based on your financial data. From preventing overspending to spotting investment opportunities, AI has your back at every stage of your financial life. AI is your budgeting coach, investment planner, fraud detector, and financial teacher, all rolled into one. And the best part? It's always improving, learning from your behavior to serve you better with every interaction. Whether you earn a little or a lot, AI levels the playing field so everyone can take control of their financial story. We live in an age where every financial decision can be backed by data, intelligence, and automation. AI helps you stay one step ahead, preparing you for future challenges and opportunities in the financial world. It brings structure, guidance, and confidence to an area of life that can often feel overwhelming or confusing. No more guessing or hoping. You now have tools that give you clarity and actionable steps to build your future. You can wake up every day knowing your money is working for you in the background, powered by AI systems. This video was designed to open your eyes to the tools and strategies available through modern financial technology. We've shared insights, ideas, and innovations that are shaping the way people manage, grow, and secure their finances. And now, the choice is yours. Continue the journey with these tools or stick with the old methods that limit your growth. We encourage you to explore, experiment, and embrace these tools that bring clarity and confidence to your money. Personal finance doesn't need to be stressful, it can be strategic, automated, and tailored to you. AI gives you the chance to build a lifestyle of financial wellness with tools that fit your pace and preferences. Let this be the start of your new financial chapter, one where you're informed, empowered, and in control. Every step you take using AI tools brings you closer to financial freedom, security, and smarter decision-making. You don't need perfection, you need progress, and AI helps you make that progress without being overwhelmed. So don't wait. Start small. Choose one tool or app and experience how much easier managing money can be. Remember, financial success is a series of small, smart decisions made consistently over time, and AI helps you make them. AI is like a compass that points you in the right direction financially, even when the path seems unclear. So whether your goal is freedom, growth, stability, or abundance, AI can help you build a solid path forward. We hope this video helped you see what's possible when intelligence meets intention in the world of finance. Take the knowledge, take the inspiration, and most importantly, take action toward a smarter financial life. And if you've learned something valuable from this video, consider supporting us in 3 simple ways. First, hit the like button so this content reaches more people who need it, just like you once did. Second, tap the subscribe button to stay updated on future videos like this. We release helpful content regularly. And third, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, so you never miss another financial breakthrough. We're building a community of financially smart individuals, and we'd love to have you along for the journey. Your future self will thank you for the steps you start taking today, powered by AI and your commitment. If you have questions or insights, drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear how AI is changing your financial life. Let's keep the conversation going, because learning and growing are continuous processes, and AI makes both easier. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We know you have many choices, and we appreciate yours. We hope you walk away feeling more confident, more prepared, and more excited about your financial future. You now have the knowledge and the tools to make your money work smarter, not just harder. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep building the life you deserve, one smart step at a time. The future of finance is intelligent, automated, and personalized, and it's ready when you are. This is the power of AI in personal finance. This is the future, and it's already yours to shape. See you in the next video. Be safe, be smart, and let your money work for you like never before. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Together, let's embrace the tools that help us grow, protect, and thrive in every aspect of our financial journey. We'll see you again soon, with more content designed to help you live smarter, richer, and freer.